Let us see the next question from revisionary test paper May 20. Discuss briefly the steps in securitization mechanism. The various steps in securitization mechanism are discussed below. Creation of pool of asset, transfer to special purpose vehicle, sale of securitized paper, administration of assets, recourse to the originator, repayment of the funds, credit rating of the instruments. So this is considered to be the process of the securitization. Again, as what we understand is that the head points are important, and internally we have to write something which is relevant. The first is the creation of the pool of assets. The process of the securitization begins with the creation of the pool of assets by segregation of the assets backed by similar type of the mortgages. Dear students, the term mortgage stands for the loans that you have given, the receivables that you have, that is called mortgage. In terms of the interest rate, risk, maturity and concentration units. It is transferred to special purpose vehicle or special purpose entity. Friends, one more thing that I would like to clarify is that all these are the institute publication in which I have not made any modification. So this is the kind of answer which institute is expecting from you. One asset have been pulled, they are transferred to the special purpose vehicle, especially created for this purpose. Securitization process, that is called sale of securitized paper. Special purpose vehicle designs the instruments based on the nature of the interest, risk, tenure, etc. based on the pool of assets. These instruments can be passed through security or pay through security. We understand that there is one more also, that is stripped security. Administration of assets. The administration of the asset in subcontracted back to the originator. See, it is subcontracted back to the originator, which collects the principal and interest from the underlying asset and transfer it to the special purpose vehicle, which works as a conduct. Recourse to the originator. Performance of the securitized paper depends upon the performance of the underlying asset. Means that how far the security will be able to give return to the investor, that depends upon that whatever the loans which have been given, so that loans are giving a repayment or not. And unless specified in case of the default, they go back to the originator from special purpose vehicle. Repayment of the funds. Special purpose vehicle will repay the funds in form of interest and principal that arises from the assets pool. Credit rating. Sometimes before the sale of the, not sometimes, it is always, sale of securitized instrument, credit rating can be done to assess the risk of the issuer. That is basically risk that the investor has, so for making investment over here. This is what we understand.